Hey, so I'm talking to you if you're getting discouraged about your Japa plans and you're almost giving up. Let me tell you something. Nothing goes for nothing. Everybody that you see that has successfully Japaed, including myself, we have a story to tell. If you want to know my story, you can go to my Twitter page, my pinned post or my pinned tweet. You will read my story there. And everyone that I have met here who has been able to relocate has one story or the other to tell. So life is not a fun fair, it's a warfare. If you want something, you gotta go for it. So if you're getting discouraged because you don't have the time to do the Japa plans, or you had one or two refusals or one or two difficulties, and you feel that, Canada is not for me, or the UK or wherever you want to Japa is not for you, then that's your problem. You have to take the bull by the horns. You have to pick yourself up if you're falling down. If this is what you want, if Canada is your dream, then you got to go for it. This is what I can say. Oh, there's nothing else I can say. You got to pick yourself up. You got to go for your dream. So this video is just to encourage you, because there's such a lot of discouragement, a lot of people giving up. They are saying, Shay, I don't know what to do. Help me do this, help me do that. Many of the people who have been able to use the Canada Japa system have been able to do it by themselves. They just get one or two guidance. That's because I see the passion burning in them. If it's not burning in you, then you won't go for it. So I beg you, if this is your dream, pick yourself up and go for your dream. And if you want our guidance, go ahead and get the Canada Japa system. It will hold you by the hand. So long as this is what you want, it's a guide that takes you from the beginning to the end until you land in Canada and become a permanent resident. So go for what you want. And I am encouraging you as always. I'll talk to you later.